The Corsair M55 RGB Pro Gaming Mouse offers game-winning versatility with an ambidextrous design that fits any grip or hand, and a highly precise 12,400 dpi optical sensor. Its durable construction, complete with 50 million click-rated almond switches and a premium-rated cable, stands up to the rigors of intense gaming while minimizing fatigue with a remarkably light weight of just 86 g. Start gaming immediately with simple plug-and-play setup out of the box. Take full control with powerful Corsair IQ software, enabling you to swap between left and right-handed modes, assign macros and remaps to 8 programmable buttons, customize RGB backlighting, and manage 5 DPI settings that can be switched on the fly. No matter how you choose to play, stand up to any challenge with the M55 RGB Pro. Corsair M65 RGB Elite is built to withstand a lifetime of gaming with premium durable anodized aluminum frame. Corsair's most advanced optical gaming sensor, native 18,000 dpi, adjustable in 1 dpi resolution steps, gives you total sensitivity customization and ultra-accurate tracking. Advanced tunable weight system, adjust M65 RGB Elite's center of gravity to suit your grip, or reduce its weight to just 97 grams. 8 fully programmable buttons, get the most from your games with the ability to remap or assign custom macros to every click. Ultra-durable almond switches, rated for more than 50 million clicks. Precision sniper button, ergonomically placed sniper button to instantly reduce sensitivity for crucial shots. Loaded with extras, including onboard profile storage, multi-zone RGB lighting, a dedicated sniper button, and fully programmable with Corsair IQ software. It's time to join the elite. The Corsair Glaive Pro RGB Gaming Mouse merges high performance with high comfort, designed with a contoured shape ideal for extended gaming sessions. An ultra-accurate native 18,000 dpi optical sensor and high-performance almond switches rated for more than 50 million clicks ensure that you're always on top of your game. Choose between 3 included interchangeable thumb grips for a perfectly tailored fit. Take control with Corsair IQ software to customize RGB lighting across 3 lighting zones and synchronize it with your entire system. Take your settings with you wherever you go with onboard profile storage, without the need for drivers or additional software. Play harder and win more with Glaive RGB Pro, because precision is power.